Hey kids, JD here. Continuing the idea that we've been running with lately, today we're going to try improving or doing something different with scrambled eggs. Something as simple as that. What could you do to make it different? Let's find out together. Before we get started, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit that like, because you know you like this video already. Don't even pretend you don't. We know it. And let's get going. I took 6 eggs, mixed them all up, and then with a third of it, which is about 100 grams each, I would then add an ingredient to it. So let's find out the ingredients and how it turned out. Okay, so number 1, scrambled eggs. This time we're using the Tadka, the Panchvaran Tadka. Let's see how it works out. All right, that's really good. What I really like is it has kind of a savory, little bit oniony flavor that it adds to it. So if that's your kind of thing, you don't want things that are maybe too exotic, this would be a good way to go. Okay, so these eggs are with the coconut oil, ginger, garlic, and cumin tadka that we made a while back. There'll be a link to all this stuff above. All right, so let's see how this turned out. Even though I did use quite a bit of it, the flavor is pretty subtle. I can't say it's subtle, but it's there, but it's understated. Definitely getting a little bit of sweet off of that coconut, gingery, a little garlicky, a little cuminy, which is good. So it's not overpowering what's here. But if you're looking for something that's maybe a little bit more exotic without going over the top, this would certainly be one good way to go. Okay, last one for the day. I decided to go and add, oops, let me get a thing of this here. Add some ginger garlic paste. Now I used probably too much, which would be a teaspoon, but I like ginger, I like garlic, so it might not be too much. So let's see how this goes. All right, for this, I might heat the ginger garlic paste up for longer, maybe cook it a little more. That way, when you add the eggs to it, it brings out a little more flavor. That's on me. And this could probably use a little salt too, you know, because it doesn't have the complex flavors that the Tadkas have. You might need to add a little more, but it's still good. I would eat this. I mean, I am eating it. Actually, probably put that in the bowl with the rest of them and enjoy that later. So as I said, the point is, try something different, take a chance. Even if it fails, big deal, right? We've talked about doing it with macaroni, hamburger, eggs, and those are very basic things. Try something different. See what happens. Right now what's going to happen is I'm going to be out. I'm JD.